So you're thinking about putting your home on the market, and you want to make sure that you're going to get the very best return on your investment. These tips should help. We know selling homes is second nature to us, as we've been doing it for 20 plus years.
We get nervous Nelly sellers all the time, and of course they should be, as it's a big deal if you sell. Well, let's talk about curb appeal. It's important as it's the first impression that your buyers will see when they arrive at your home. The best thing that you can do is rent a power washer or have someone come and do the power washing for you. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off your driveway, your sidewalk, and off your home. You also want to pay attention to the front door.
As an agent, it takes a few seconds for us to open a lockbox. And this really gives a chance to look at your entryway while they're waiting to get in. Take a moment to make sure that there isn't any paint peeling off the doors or cobwebs around the lights. Next, make sure to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyer's agents say that staging a home makes it easier for the buyers to visualize themselves living in it. And staging will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing the very best features of your homes to buyers.
Also, researchers say that professionally staged homes can sell for as much as 10% more than homes that are not staged. And the good news is, here with the Real Estate Dream Team, we actually include professional staging as part of our service. Also, the marketing is essential. You're going to want to make sure you get professional photos done and professional video. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they saw online. So professional photos and video is an absolute must when preparing to sell your home.
Lastly, now that your home's all ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time without giving you much notice, so you have to be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice if need be.
A few things you can do is plan simpler meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor activities. Also, find a place to put your pets during showings, maybe a family or a good friend to take care of them. These tips will help to get your home sold faster and for the amount of money that you deserve.
For more information, feel free to call us, Cheyenne
and Carlette of the Real Estate Dream Team,
turning your dreams into an address.